Maliliit na ngipin, masarap kumain. Di lang maliit, nagsasabi, wag kang magsinungaling.
Me, AZ. Welcome to my channel.
Okay, do you want to have a game about that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so I'll teach you a game. Okay, so what are we going to do is like this sample, okay? I'll teach you. I say ilong, ilong, ilong. What is ilong?
Nose.
Nose. And then I will be pointing on my nose, saying ilong, ilong, ilong. And then I point it to something else.
So
Because I'm going to trick you. I will be pointing out the wrong one. But you have to point the correct one. Okay? Out my ilong. Ilong, 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 ilong. Mata. Point your mata. Okay. This is mata, right? Okay. Ilong, ilong, ilong. Ngipin. Ilong. This is only practice, ha? So try to remember, okay? Because I'm gonna trick you later. Okay? Auntie V, understand?
AV or
Okay.
ATV.
Ilong, 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 ilong. Paa. Yes.
Feet.
Okay. Okay. So now this is the real game. Okay? Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ilong, 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 mata.
It's not here.
No, it's not here.
I thought you put it here or here.
Okay. Ilong, 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 tenga.
Tenga.
Tenga. Where's your tenga? Yes.
Sorry.
Okay. Ilong, 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 daliri. You're copying. Daya.
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 What's Daya?
Daya means, what is daya? I don't know. Madaya. Just madaya. I don't know in English. What's madaya? Oh, okay. I know what madaya is in English. Now I remember that madaya is cheating. Like you are a cheater. If you just keep on copying other people's answer.
Why do you keep on going near me like
Yeah, because I want to get rid of antok. I'm sleepy. It's getting late na. Dali na. Okay? Okay? So, ilong, 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 kamay. That's still ilong. Where's your kamay?
Ilang, ilang, ilang.
I said kamay. Okay. AV is winning. Okay?
So, what happens if someone wins? Do we get a prize or something?
Yeah. Maybe I can give you chocolate. Or I can give you this for you to go to sleep.
A baby bottle? Here, play with us. And play this with a stuffed animal.
Okay. Stop. Okay. Again? Okay. AV, are you ready?
Maybe.
Okay. You're so serious. Okay. Ilong, 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 mata. Ilong, ilong, ilong. This time I'll go fast, okay? Ilong, 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 kamay. What? Where's your kamay?
It's just like...
No, kamay. Kamay. Okay.
This
Okay,
is
one more.
winning!
Ilong, 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 kilikili. You know that, huh? You
Yeah.
never forget kilikili. You have baho kilikili.
No, you do.
Okay.
Just took a shower today.
Okay, one more. Ilong, 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 ilong. Daliri.
A delivery.
She tried to look at me.
No, I like this. Quick.
Daliri. Yay, you remember daliri. Yay.
I don't like this. All I saw was that. Wait.
Okay, who's winning?
Um.
Okay, Evie is winning.
Wait, it's a tie.
It's a tie?
No, it's not.
Yes.
How come it's a tie?
No, it's a tie. It's a tie.
Okay, it's a tie. It's a tie.
Hey. Fight.
Okay, what else? What else do we...
Don't do that to me.
What else do you like to learn? Or how about I say in Tagalog and you translate it in English?
Okay.
Okay? You try to translate.
Do for me too. Easy go, please.
Yeah, I'll go easy on you. Okay?
Go.
I will also use parts of the body, okay? Try to remember. Okay. Okay, listen very carefully.
Okay.
First, mabaho ang kilikili mo.
I know
You see,
that.
your armpit is stinky.
That's so easy. Where's your kilikili? And it's always baho.
Wait, do that again? Wait, show us your kilikili. Show us. Show us your kilikili. What?
Okay. Okay. Ito. Ito pa. Madilaw ang ngipin mo.
Your teeth are yellow.
Even knows a lot of Tagalog now. Yay! You keep on learning, huh? Easy? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ano pa ba? It's hard to think. Okay. This one. Mahaba ang buhok mo.
Your hair short.
Oh.
Mahaba means long. It's not short. Okay? Short is maiksi. Okay. Okay, here's for you, AZ. Try to translate this, okay? Ano ba yan? Nakalimutan ko.
What is that? I forgot.
Mapula ang bibig mo.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I know.
You know, AV? What?
Your mouth is so red.
Yes. Right. That means pula means red. Okay, remember? Pula means red and bibig is like labi or mouth. Okay, mouth. Oh. What else? Ito.
He's yummy.
Ito, easy. Mabaho ang hininga mo.
Stinky? Something stinky?
Something is in stinky. What is stinky?
I don't know.
You know baho, right? You
Yeah.
know the first word baho. But hininga means breath.
Stinky breath!
Yeah,
Like
bad
your
breath.
No,
No, not your.
Okay. So I think it's getting late now. Let's review what you learned. Okay? Did you learn something, AZ? Aww. How about AV?
We have to go now to bed.
Yeah. Next time we're gonna do again Tagalog in pajama. Tagalog learning in pajama.
Can I translate to Tagalog now?
Okay, you translate? Oh, you want to translate pa? Okay.
To Tagalog.
Me too, but easy on me.
Oh,
Like aso, bola,
so
elefante.
elepante.
It's
What
elefante.
is okay, elepante. What is elepante?
Elephant.
Oh, very good.
The elefante.
What is bola?
Ball.
Okay. Ano pa? Ano pang alam mo sa Tagalog? Ano pa? What else do you know in Tagalog words?
I know. Big.
Bibig. Okay. Which one is bibig? Oh, antok na. AV, oh. Antok means
Tired.
sleepy or tired. Okay? AV, translate this in Tagalog.
I even have a riddle for nighttime.
Ano ba? Let's try AV if she really knows or understand Tagalog. Okay?
Try
Easy? Okay?
No, AV.
AV will translate for us.
Yeah, and you said AZ.
No, I'm just asking you, AZ. Okay? Translate this AV. Okay? Isda ang ulam ko kanina hapunan.
No English and
Fish.
Hmm?
Fish is the thing I put on my food. What's ulam?
Ulam, you don't know ulam?
Yeah, what's in English?
Food.
It's viand. Yeah.
What's viands?
Ulam.
But what's viands?
I don't know. Like ulam.
Viand is ulam.
Oolong.
Ulam is whatever you eat with your rice.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you can say
Fish is the thing I eat for my
For-
lunch
For dinner.
for dinner.
Hapunan is dinner. Okay? Ito pa. Gusto kong
It sounds like pretty words.
magsayaw. Gusto kong magsayaw bukas.
I want to swim.
What, are you just saying that?
I want to swim tomorrow. How about AZ? Can you translate that? Gusto kong magsayaw bukas.
Sounds like book.
Book?
Book-ass sounds like book.
Bukas sounds like book. Yeah, but what's the meaning?
I don't know.
AV is quite correct, but part of is wrong. Like bukas is tomorrow, correct? But magsayaw means to dance.
No, you didn't dance.
I want to dance with my booty.
To dance.
What did you say?
I want to dance with my booty.
To swim is lumangoy. Lumangoy.
Well,
Well, it's getting late. I'm so sleepy now. I'm in pajama already and I want to sleep.
thank you, Rose Abella, for teaching me and Avery some Filipino words.
You're welcome. Okay, let's do it again next time, okay? I want you to learn more of Tagalog words.
Tomorrow nighttime, pajamas again.
Maybe. Yeah. Okay.
Pajama party. Bye. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with others, please.
So, what time is it?
Time to say.
Time
the
to
secret
say
word.
what?
Secret words code. Come on, Av. Say it. Astigay! You said this. It's this. Rose and Bella.
Rose Rosabella. Wow, what's a nice name.
That's your name.
Okay, Rosabella.
So I just want to give a shout out to who supported us.
Who is that? Rich? Rich lang ang malakas.
Thank you, Rich Lang Podcast. So bad for
Rich
having.
lang ang malakas. Yay!
Thank you for supporting us.
Yes,
And
thank you.
what does it mean?
Rich is rich. You know rich, lah?
Yeah.
The opposite of poor. And malakas means strong. Only rich is strong. Oh no! How about the poor people?
Me, wait